Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE CleanSpeak dryer and it's giving you an F08 error and you're wondering what's going on and what do I need to do to fix this F08 error. So first of all, the F08 error is the door latch. When it locks, if it can't, then when it tries to unlock, if it can't properly unlock, then it will give you this error. It will actually try 5 times, send the signal to unlock 5 times, and after that, if it doesn't unlock, it will give you this error. So what you're going to need to do is figure out, first of all, you got to get it open and just kind of banging it, putting it and then kind of banging on it might get it loose and get it open. But you're going to need to figure out why it's not able to unlatch properly. So a couple of things you want to check for is make sure everything looks like clean. There's nothing in here that would physically prevent it from latching or unlatching properly. Make sure everything is moving freely in there. There's nothing sticky or stuck, and you might need to unstick it. And then if that doesn't work, you might need to actually just go ahead and replace the door latch assembly and fix any wiring behind it also might be the issue.